Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Telegram restriction or what they call limitation. When your Telegram account is limited, that means you won't be able to message anyone on Telegram or your account was basically restricted. To remove that, open your Telegram. Then tap Settings located on the lower right part of your screen. Once you're on your settings, you'll need to tap Ask a Question. Make sure to read this and then tap OK. And then from here, you'll just need to tap Start in order for you to chat on any Telegram support. So you would be asking them to remove the limitation on your account, or of course to ask why your account is limited. If this doesn't work, there is an alternative route for this one. So you just need to go back and go to your chats. Now on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see a pen and paper icon. Tap on that. And then from search bar, you'll search Spam Info Bot. You can see it's here, so tap on that. So this Spam Info Bot is an official Telegram support. It will help you find out why your account was limited, and it will also help you regain the full functionality or to remove the limitation of your account. Once you're ready to chat the Spam Info Bot, just tap Start. They will then help you regain your full functionality of your Telegram or to remove the restriction or limitation of this account. And that's how to remove Telegram restriction or limitation. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.